Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. So, our title for today is Describing a Friend. Okay, so let's just move on and see you in the learning outcomes. So, in the learning outcomes, these are things you're supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So, by the end of the session, you'll be able to, number one, describe a friend's personality and appearance. Use adjectives correctly in a sentence. 3. Write a short paragraph about their best friend or your best friend. Okay. So let's just jump into the warm-up activity. So let me ask you a question. What makes a good friend? What do you think? Yes, to be kind. What else? To be helpful. Yes, thank you. That's amazing. Good job. Well, question 2. How would you describe your best friend? Yes, so here we have our friend. Her name is Sarah. She wants to answer. So Sarah describes her best friend as being funny, helpful, and honest. Yes, thank you, Sarah, for answering, and thank you for sharing your answer. Okay, so let's just go and watch a video for 3 times. And after watching, we will answer some questions. But first, before watching, I need you to read the questions, okay? So number 1, what's Omar's friend's name? 2, how does Omar describe Adam's personality? 3, what does Adam look like? Yes. Now please go watch the video for 3 times and then come back to answer the questions. I'll wait for you.
I have a best friend. His name is Adam.
What is he like?
He's funny and kind. He always tells jokes and helps me when I need him.
That's great. What does he look like?
He has short, curly hair and brown eyes. I have a best friend. His name is Adam.
What is he like?
He's funny and kind. He always tells jokes and helps me when I need him.
That's great. What does he look like?
He has short, curly hair and brown eyes. I have a best friend. His name is Adam.
What is he like?
He's funny and kind. He always tells jokes and helps me when I need him.
That's great. What does he look like?
He has short, curly hair and brown eyes.
Okay, perfect. So, question 1, what's Omar's friend's name? Yes, his name is Adam. Good job. Question 2, how does Omar describe Adam's personality? Yeah, he's funny and kind. Good. Well, what does Adam look like his appearance? Okay. Yes, he has short, curly hair and brown eyes. Good job. That's amazing. Okay, so let's just see you in the vocabulary part. Okay, so let's learn some words related to our topic. So the first one is funny. 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 And when the person is funny, it means he can tell jokes, he makes us laugh. Yeah, he's funny. Okay, then we have kind. 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 Please repeat. Yeah, when someone is kind, it means this person likes, he's friendly, he loves people, he loves to help them, he's kind. Yeah. Helpful. 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 Someone who helps people, you know. Well, then we have smart. Smart. Smart, like he can solve any problem, he's really smart, he's really intelligent. Then we have friendly. 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 Yeah. Quiet. 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 Quiet is the person who doesn't speak a lot. It's a quiet person. Creative. Creative. Creative, like he has or he always thinks out of the box. He has new ideas, different things. Creative. Sporty. 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 Yeah, this person likes to practice or do a lot of exercise. Yeah. Honest. Honest. Honest, yeah. When someone is honest, it means you can trust him. Yeah, this person is honest. Hardworking. Hardworking. Hardworking means he works a lot, you know. Tall. 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 The opposite is short. 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 Yes, that's great. Let's go to our first practice. And yeah, simply just have to match words with the sentences. Okay, so first one, a person who makes you laugh. Yes, funny, thank you. Two, a person who is nice and cares for others. Kind, well, a person who always helps others. Helpful, great. A person who learns things quickly. Smart, good job. A person who likes to make new friends. Friendly, well, a person who doesn't talk much. Quiet person, a person who has a lot of ideas and loves art. Creative, well, a person who is good at sports. Sporty, well, a person who always tells the truth. Honest, well, a person who works hard to succeed. Hardworking, very, very good job. You're doing amazing. Okay, so let's just jump into the phonics part and see you there. Well, so in the phonics part, let's just compare between the soft and hard C sound. All right, so the soft one sounds like S, while the hard one sounds like K, okay? So let's take some examples. The soft one as in nice, face, race, so it's all pronounced as S, all right? While the hard one just as in kind, curly, creative. I pronounce the C here as K sound, all right? Good, good. So yeah, see you on the reading part. Well, so here we have a text that we are going to read together, and then we'll answer a couple of questions. So yeah, my best friend is Ahmed. He's kind and funny. He always tells jokes and makes me laugh. He's also very smart and helps me with my homework. Ahmed has short black hair and big brown eyes. We play football together every weekend. I am happy to have a friend like Ahmed. Okay, so let's answer the questions. Question 1, what are Ahmed's personality traits? Yeah, and by traits I mean like characteristics or features, you know. Yes, kind and funny, thank you. Well, do you have anything else? Yes, smart and helpful, thank you. Well, question 2, what does Ahmed look like? Yeah, he has short black hair and big brown eyes. Good job. Question 3, what do Ahmed and his friend do together? Yes, they play football together every weekend. Thank you. So yeah, let's see on the grammar part. Okay, so simply we have to use verb to be with the adjectives to describe people or your friends. So, used to be, am is are, of course, based on the subject or the person, plus adjective to describe people. For example, my friend is funny. They are kind. She is helpful. So let me make it more clear for you. If I'm speaking about or the subject is I will use am. The subject is he, she, it, or any singular person, use is. If it's they, are, we, or plural, like more than one, use are, as in these examples. Okay, great. So yeah, let's go for our second practice. Simply, all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. So question 1, my friend, my friend, only one. Yes, is very smart. Thank you. Question 2, they, they, yes, are friendly and nice. 3, she, quiet but kind. She is, thank you. 4, he very hardworking. He is very hardworking. Yeah, 5, we always honest with each other. We are, great. Question 6, Homer, very funny. Is, yes, thank you. My teacher, kind and helpful. Is, thank you. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so yeah, let's see you in the speaking part. Okay, so simply I just need you to describe your friend. So first step is choose a friend. Second step is describe him, okay? You can say, for example, my friend is kind and funny. He is very helpful, for example, okay? And also try to describe what your friend looks like her or his features. Like, for example, she has or he has like long hair, curly hair, and black eyes, for example, okay? Yeah. Thank you. So let me just ask you, what did you learn today? Yeah, that's awesome. And yeah, this actually marks the end of our session for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. And don't forget to do your homework. Bye.